Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a good day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, the last 24 hours have been a little shaky as Bitcoin is retesting close to 112,000. This is a critical support area. If it is broken, there is a chance that it can fall down to 108. This is going to be your perfect opportunity to buy into your favorite coin and DCA to ensure that when the market starts climbing again and Powell's speech actually comes in favor of crypto, you want to make sure that you make profit. And also, if you're a little bit fearful of buying something that might crash a little bit more, you should probably get into a pre-sale. And there is one token that I have talked about before and I'm going to talk about again, which is Pepe Ascension. Now this token is incredible and they have gotten a lot more bigger things that have happened, and at the same time the updates which are coming out with this token are incredible. First of all, this token is in a pre-sale state, so even if the market is crashing, your money is not going to start reducing in price until the token goes live, which is now confirmed, as it will be, the listing date is the 31st of October. They have already raised about $30.6 million in the pre-sale, and let me tell you, there is a lot of rumors that the price or the listing price is going to be $3, and currently after raising 30 million, the price is sitting at about 3 cents. So if you do the maths, that's 100x from the current price. And they have actually, for the people who don't know anything about it, this token is very simple. It's pretty much faster transaction, bigger rewards, all classic Pepe charm, but pretty much making it better than Ethereum. Seamless connection between Ethereum and Pepe chain with minimal transaction cost and increased throughput to 100 times quicker than Ethereum. And right now they've actually introduced a system where if you decide to purchase a large chunk of Ethereum, you will be getting 15% bonus. So when you purchase Pepe Ascension and it's actually greater than 1000 USDT, you'll be getting extra 15% in off the supply. That's obviously very, very good, as you guys will be able to get a lot more out of your money. At the same time, this token is going to be listed on the top exchanges and it's already been confirmed, including OKX and PancakeSwap, Uniswap, MEXC Global. So you see that this token is making some waves, and on the end they have already completed their audit and the audit has had no problems, and obviously the audit is super clear to ensure that you can safely invest in this token. On the other end, another thing that's very, very interesting is the community. Now what they're trying to build with the dual rewards, so pretty much the reward distribution logic with full implemented and tested. So there's a lot of the chunk, or you can say they have raised about 10,000 Ethereum, which goes straight into the actual price system. And just to give you an idea, at the end, once just to give you an idea over here, this is how much they have already raised, which is about 1.6 million USDT. When the token goes live, this will be given out to the community. If the Ethereum price is over $5,000, then you will be receiving 5% in Ethereum, or actually it will be distributed between everyone. And if the Ethereum price is below 5,000, then they're going to be unlocking the supply of Pepe Ascension and distributing 10% of that. So at the end of the day, this is obviously buying in the pre-sale is going to give you a little bit of benefit, as you will be getting similar to an airdrop. Also, Ethereum has only on rise lately and the layer 2 ecosystem is getting really, really crazy. And let me give you an idea, this is going to be the best way you will be able to make most profit. And considering the fact that this distribution, or you can see a snapshot, will be automatically taken on the 31st of October. So once the token goes live, that's how all of this is going to go through. Also, they're going to be releasing their Launchpad. Now the Launchpad is the critical zone, because you need to understand Pepe Launchpad or Pump Pad is going to be the best way you will be able to make the most profit, because this will be the way that this token will be able to grow into something bigger. First of all, 2-click launch, anti-rug system, zero cut with Pepe.fun but on Ethereum, and pump for profit. So 0% buy or sell tax, instant trading, and the ecosystem is going to be massive. And if you do decide to purchase it right now, you're like, Sky, why would I hold for a long time? Well, you can actually go ahead and stake it away for 150% return per annum. No one is giving you that kind of return with the staking currently at the market. And if you look at their Twitter page, they have about 10,000 followers, and you can see that their reach is quite high with 25,000 views on their average post. And their Telegram has about 4,000 subscribers, so they're very established. And let me tell you, the money that they are trying to push out is definitely going to become bigger and bigger over time. And this is their roadmap. So once the token is released, they're not going to be slowing down and building it into something even bigger. And just to give you an idea, if you know the price, you know, the speculation going around, which is it's going to be listed at $3, you don't need to worry about any of this. You're already going to make 100x on your money very quickly, and considering the fact that you're getting 15% on top of it, it's pretty good. That's all I'm going to say. Now, if you do want to purchase it, it's very simple. You can just click the link in the description. It will take you to this website. You just need to connect your wallet, whatever wallet you use, decide how much Ethereum you want to convert into Pepe Ascension, buy, and it will be added to your wallet. Don't forget to stake it away. And at the same time, at the end of the day, this is still a meme coin, and all crypto have a little bit of risk. So make sure you guys do your own research. This is not financial advice, just my personal opinion. So if you want to check it out, I see some potential. The link will be in the description. I hope you have a good day, and I'll see you soon.